around this rock. The ancient ways I carry forth, the river carries me.
Welcome. So I'm going to explain to you some expectations before you actually begin. I'm MarieLucinda. When we begin in the workbook, I want you to be able to open up your heart really, really big with a deep cleansing breath. I will do this a lot through the classes. The reason why is because we've got debris, energetic debris within our bodies, and it's meant to clear, kind of like vacuuming the inside. So it's going to be an open mouth breath, and you'll blow it out. And I do them pretty big. So when you take a breath with me, when I say cleansing breath, I want you to think about opening up your heart chakra really big, open your body, and then vacuum like this. And push it out. It's really important. It does many things, but besides just clear the channel, it helps you connect with your body because so often we're not present. And I've practiced presence for decades now. And a lot of times we'll get hung up on our past or our future or what's going on in the next room. And those cleansing breaths connect you right here so that you can do your holy work. So you'll come across that. We'll also do some prayers to Mother and Father God for blessings. Hopefully that will be okay to you. If you don't feel comfortable addressing them directly, you can say, Dear Universal Source Energy, or whatever's comfortable for you. Let's see what else. And I'm just going to walk you through each question. And I'm going to weave in some behind the scenes of my life, of my story, so that you can connect. And I'm going to be connecting with you and feeling into you so that I can properly guide you. And when I open up my light in my body, I can see and feel and hear things about you. And I'll be directed appropriately. But my light is meant to stir the pot up. So a lot of times, let's imagine a stream. It's crystal clear. It's really pretty. Everything's kind of in order, the rocks. But when my light opens up and you begin a lesson, I'm going to stir everything up and we're going to flip over rocks. And it's going to get really, you'll see the debris, right? And that will translate to you. You're going to feel all kinds of emotions. You're going to feel very irritated, maybe agitated, sad. You're going to be feeling some kind of way. And that's good because we want to get in and start touching the places that need to be purified. We're going to go down so deep within you in those deep, dark, hidden places. And we need to touch them. You need to feel it again so that we can heal it and uplift it out of your body. So when you begin this workshop with me, take care of yourself. I'm going to talk to you about nurturing yourself, taking Epsom salt baths just to help pull the debris and the poisons and toxins out of your body. I'm going to encourage you to eat well, sleep good. But the emotional agitation and the things that you're going to be feeling, if it gets too overwhelming, just pause me. I'll wait for you. And I don't want you to think that what you're feeling isn't correct. You're going to be all over the place. And just remember, I'm creating a very sacred space for you, and I'm right here offering you my hand to walk with you. So just be very patient with yourself. I had to learn to be more nurturing to my wounded inner child than ever. So I had to talk to myself and settle myself. I actually had to talk myself into actually doing the lessons because some of them were really big and tended to overwhelm me. It's like, oh no, I don't want to go there. But I did, very gently. And the other key is that I didn't just go into it and then run away from it. I dedicated in. So give yourself lots of permission for the time sequencing. It could take you a month. It could take you a week. You got 3 days with me. If that's not enough and you want to do it again, you can re-rent it again. Take as long as you need, but give yourself the permission and the time and space to do this work. Because once you get into a topic, let's say pain, you want to stay committed until you finish the whole thing. Don't piecemeal it together. If you feel that you would like to jump around in the workbook, go right ahead. You don't need to do it sequentially. I would suggest you do, but sometimes in reading my story, you might get all stirred up. You might get flashes of memories that you haven't thought about in decades. That's your cue to go into the workbook and begin. And if you need some help, go ahead and get my online course and let me help you. If you need further assistance, email me at christedbride@gmail.com and ask me questions. I would love to interact with you. And I just wanted to say thank you for your consideration. And thank you for the dedication that you are going to make to yourself and your inner healing, because truth sets us free. And we deserve to be free. We deserve all the love from heaven that rains in upon us. So these are block removing exercises. And I hope you enjoy yourself. And please don't give up. And I know it's tough. That's why I'm coming all the way out to help you, because I love you and you're worth it.